Still struggle with my messy bun technique where you flip your hair over as you're making your bun like this and plop it on your head to make the messy bun. If you are still struggling with that technique and you just can't quite get it down, I'm going to show you one that is a lot easier to do. So for this one, you're just going to take your hair tie and you're going to make a ponytail wrap once, twice, and on the third time we're just going to create a little loop here, and I'm just going to pull him apart a little bit like so, forwards and backwards and side to side, but not too much so you don't lose all your ends. And then you're going to take those ends and we're going to stick them in here with the other little bun we created. So just shove those in, and then we're going to pull those side to side. And you don't want to overdo it or you might end up just pulling everything out, which is not ideal. But this also creates an adorable messy bun, and it's a lot easier to do than the other flip and drop technique that is my preference, but this way is an awesome way if you can't get that way. So that, I hope, helps. You get a cute messy bun, and remember, it is a messy bun, so it doesn't have to be perfect for it to look cute. Bye, guys.